Hello everybody, I'm going to show you how to build a ceiling fan. 3-bladed. So first you need blades, which is very important. So you need this. Then you put the second blade on. So here's what it will look like. What it looks like now. So now I'm gonna put this blade on. Then you need to put the cap on to make sure the blades don't fall. Like, you guys gotta straighten the blade with the fan. And last but not least, you need to put that on. And most important, it needs a dimmer switch. So that's how you build a Lego ceiling fan. I hope you enjoyed it, and goodbye.